You searched how to buy shares of Enlight Renewable Energy Ltd. Enlight Renewable Energy Ltd. develops solar and wind projects and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ENLT. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search and type the ticker ENLT to find the correct listing. Select the result that matches Enlight Renewable Energy Ltd. trading on NASDAQ. On the stock page, review the company profile and the price chart to confirm you have the right asset. Make sure the listing shows NASDAQ and ticker ENLT before proceeding. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or become a pending market order, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Your ENLT position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes. A soft CTA, the eToro link, is available in the description if you want to follow the same example.